Welcome to NUVending. Today, we're exploring a new experience with the NUNET 20FT A-frame telescoping ladder. Whether you're fixing your roof, pruning trees, or decorating your home, professional jobs, this ladder promises safety, versatility, and ease of use. Let's dive into why this is your next must-have tool. First, let's talk about build quality aluminum. Made from thickened aluminum, this ladder is both lightweight and incredibly durable, with an impressive 330 pounds capacity. Thanks to its oxidized aluminum finish, it's resistant to water, rust, and corrosion, ensuring a long service life. Safety is a top priority, and this ladder doesn't disappoint. The ladder features solid rubber anti-slip feet and widened balance bars at the base, enhancing stability and grip on any surface. The industrial-grade locking latches keep every section securely in place, while the widened anti-skid steps provide stability when standing. This design minimizes the risk of slips or falls, making it ideal for both professionals and homeowners. Setting up this ladder is incredibly simple. Thanks to its collapsible design, it folds down to a compact size of 18.5 by 39 inches, making it easy to store in a car trunk or a small space. And with its movable wheels, transporting this 50-pound ladder is a breeze. This ladder is designed for multi-purpose use. You can configure it as an A-frame ladder for added stability, extend it up to 20 feet for high-reach tasks, or even use it as a scaffold stand. With adjustable heights ranging from 3.2 feet to 20.3 feet, it adapts to whatever task you need to tackle, whether it's changing light bulbs, cleaning gutters, or painting walls. Despite its sturdy build, the ladder is surprisingly portable. With its movable wheels, you can easily transport it across your home or job site. The versatility of this ladder is unmatched. It's perfect for home maintenance, window cleaning, roof repairs, and even outdoor projects like pruning plants. The added cargo hold tool pouch ensures your tools are always within reach, saving you time and effort. Despite its robust design, the collapsible feature makes it incredibly space-saving. While it can be put in the car trunk, saving space. Heavier but safe. For telescoping design, our ladder is 45 pounds, a little bit heavier than traditional A-frame extension ladder or straight 18 feet telescoping ladder, since it has to use bigger aluminum tubes to hold the above ones, but you will have a collapsible ladder which is easy to store, carry on, and move. The NUNET 20FT A-frame telescoping ladder truly offers a new experience, combining durability, safety, and functionality into one compact design. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile ladder for your home or work projects, this is it. Check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.